What book is this? What book is this one?
Christmas pie.
Christmas pie. You want to read it?
What's that?
Little Jack Horner sat in the corner, eating his
Pie stuck in the thumb.
Christmas pie. He stuck in his thumb and pulled out a plum. And he said, "What a good boy am I!"
Again. Again.
You help Mama read it? Okay.
By the clock.
Do you want to do Little Jack Horner?
Yeah.
Little Jack Horner sat in the
To
corner, eating his.
the Christmas pie.
He stuck in his
Thumb.
and pulled out a.
Plum.
And he said,
Come on, am I?
"What a good boy am I!"
Again.